Hello everybody, welcome back to our 3set Info channel. In today's video I will show you how to easily manage the navigation keys customization on your MSI G242L. So first let's go over to the monitor settings. Now here we need to go to Navi key, and as you guys can see here we have the upwards one, we can change it to brightness. Now the down one, we can change it to, let's say, the refresh rate. Here the left one to screen assistance, and the right one, let's keep it up the input source, or maybe change it to alarm clock. Now after we leave and try to change it, as you guys can see here we have the brightness, here we have the refresh rate. Now we can enable it, and as you guys can see it appeared in the top left corner. Here we can basically change those settings, and that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.